Mathematics is a way of knowing in the construction of pattern because it shows us the exact relationship that create order. For example, math tells us how line, shapes, and proportion should connect to form a pattern that looks balanced. When we use mathematical rules like ratios, sequences, or symmetry, we understand why the pattern works, not just how to draw it. Math basically gives us a structure that guides the pattern and makes it predictable and meaningful.
When we think of math and art, they can feel like opposites. One is precise, the other expressive. But look closer, and the line between them starts to blur. Math searches for patterns using number and logic. Art searches for patterns using color, shape, and emotion. Both try to understand the world, just through different languages. Where math uses formulas to reveal structure, art uses creativity to show meaning. Yet both require imagination, both rely on abstraction, and both help to see connections we might have missed. So in the end, math and art aren't enemies. There are two ways of knowing, each uncovering truth in its own unique style.
Math and art may seem very different, but they are actually connected as forms of knowledge. Math focuses on logic, patterns, and precision. It helps us understand the world through numbers, structures, and rules that are consistent everywhere. Art, on the other hand, expresses emotions, creativity, and personal interpretation. It helps us understand human experience in a way that isn't limited by exact answers. But both math and art involve creativity, problem solving, and the search for patterns. Artists use mathematical ideas like symmetry, proportion, and geometry, while mathematicians often rely on imagination to discover new concepts. So even though they approach truth from different directions, both math and art help us see the world more deeply.
By seeing all the patterns nature has, not only nature but also architecture, I think we were inspired to be more creative and go outside the reference image to also let us experiment with how the Fibonacci might work, and that's why we did different spirals in different directions and also from opposite objects.